Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change colour in Photopea. If you have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, please feel free to drop that down in the comments section down below. Or if you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So as you can see here, we have our image that we are wanting to add some colour to. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to the right hand side here and make sure that the picture is selected. And then if you come down to this little circle here that's half coloured in, half not, click on it. Okay, so if you want to come and press onto hue saturation, and once that opens up a window, if you just make sure that the range selected is master, and then if you want to hold down your left mouse button, and then you can go up and down the hue bar and you can choose the right color that you want to have. So there's lots of different colors. We've got greens, blues, purple, pinks, whatever you want to choose. And then you can select the color that you want, and then if you press the reset button, then that will reset your picture back to how it was in the beginning. Okay, and then there is another way of how to add color to your image in Photopea. So the second way to do this is, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side to your toolbar, and you want to look for this option here. It might be set to the magic one, but what you want to do is right click and click on the quick selection from here. So what you can do is go ahead and select your object that you want to edit. So that's going to be our image of our cute, gorgeous little dog here. And then what you want to do is come up to the top and you want to click onto layer from this menu. That comes up, and just scroll down to the new fill layer option, and then you want to come across and click onto color fill. Now what you want to do is go ahead and select the color that you want to change to. So let's say we went for a reddish sort of color, so I'm just going to select that here and then press OK, and as you can see, we've changed this to a red color. So to actually get your design, what you want to do once this is selected is come over to the right hand side, and above your color you're going to see this drop down box here. If you go ahead and click on this, what I would recommend doing is changing this to multiply. As you can see, that is going to change the color. Also, we're still going to retain our image, and then what you can do once you've got the image selected is come up to the top and click onto properties, and you're going to see the color box here. So you just want to click onto that, and what we can do now is go ahead and change the color further, like you can see that I'm doing here, and then of course just press OK to apply your changes. And that is how you change colour in Photopea. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you guys out. I would really appreciate it if you would give us a like and also a subscribe to the channel. That would be amazing, and we will see you guys in the next one.